Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You have prerequisites checked and you're ready to act. First, confirm your phone or router supports per-client speed limits and that you have admin access. Next, decide the target cap, 5 Mbps down, 1 Mbps up, or a % of your plan. Then open the Hotspot settings or the third-party app immediately. Don't detour to unrelated menus. Once there, locate the connected devices list so you can apply limits to the correct device and avoid throttling yourself. Now configure the limits precisely. Open Hotspot settings, go to Connected Devices, and select the target client. You'll see fields for upload and download caps. Enter numeric limits in Mbps or pick a preset like low or medium. If your device supports dynamic rules, set schedules or time-of-day exceptions. Otherwise, apply a fixed per-device cap. Once saved, force reconnect the client so the rule takes effect. Then run a quick speed test to verify the enforced rate and adjust if needed. Finish by monitoring for 24 to 48 hours and adjust the cap to balance performance and fairness. If the limit isn't applied, reboot both hotspot and client, confirm the setting persisted, and check for firmware or app updates that enable per-client controls. If problems persist, switch to a router offering Co-S or install third-party firmware like OpenWRT for granular shaping. One key troubleshooting tip: if speeds vary, measure at different times to distinguish network congestion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.